Magagaling talaga, dispatch talaga. Look at that voice, sweet, light. Masarap pakinggan. Oh, what such tenderness in his voice. Wow, look at that! It floats. Very fresh ang kanyang tones. Hindi niya fino-force yung voice niya. Alam niya kung paano mag-shift from his natural to his falsetto. Whoa! That's passion, that's soulful. Oh my gosh. Wow. With that short time of singing, Sean, with his beautiful voice, tenor voice, the lightness, he can play with it no matter what, if he uses his natural voice or he shifts to his high falsetto. Wala siyang hirap. It's such a natural way, and he tells the story outright as he sings. Para kung kinakausap, napaka-natural niya mag-interpret ng kanta, yung phrasing, para ako talaga kinakausap. And he uses the expression of his face, talagang akmang-akma dun sa pag-awit niya.